Hey guys, it's Version 196 and I'm going to be starting a new Minecraft. Here's YouTube. I explained why I'll start a new one last episode, but it got deleted, so I'm not going to explain it right now. But basically, I am just going to stick to the whole because I did too much off camera and I forgot why the recording point freezing. So this should be the good. These videos going to be about 9 minutes, so I won't make sure the video can save. And I think that's why I'm not sure, but I hope it is. I need some more wood. I'm probably going to end up sleeping on the ground tonight again. I got a few meat, but let's still got cows anyway. And if any people know how to leave emails to the people in Minecraft, please let them know that the Pocket Edition does not have enough internet. I have a line going weeks when I need it. Back to the house. I'm in the public building again, so you will hear noise in the background. I'm at my aunt's hair salon. I'm about to get a haircut. Okay, so what I'm going to do is crafting table. First the crafting table in my house. Craft. Now I'm going to save the rest. Okay, so it's getting dark, so that's my cue to be out of here. Pickaxe, come on. Okay, so I think that's good. Come on. Sand does not fall in Pocket Edition, so bedtime. Can't risk dying. Okay, so bedtime. It's bedtime again. I have chosen this spot. I've chosen this spot for my mine. And I'm not going to make it like a usual mine. I'm going to make it a two-step mine. I will build wood around it later and connect it to the house. But for now, that's what I'm going to do. I will probably end up sleeping there again tonight. Still lost a health thing, even though I landed right here. Okay, so off cutting wood I go. And just to play on the safe side and go faster than I went yesterday. Now, my drone has made the days in Minecraft longer. Not sure about the demo, but I know it's longer in the Pocket Edition. This guy will not attack me. It shouldn't have attacked me. I guess it's because it's still in the shade. Okay, so I will be making a furnace pretty soon to get some more food. And the time limit's almost up. So, thanks guys for watching this video. As soon as I finish this tree, I will be starting another video right after this. But thanks for watching another episode of Minecraft with Advisor 1896. This is Survival. Click the title.